You must be here to learn about modes. I can teach you that. I'll be your host, Alexis. And we have 7 modes here. Oh wait, we must have forgotten one. We have 8 modes. So the first mode we have is the Ionian scale. As you can see, it has half steps between 3 and 4, and 7 and 8. This is the most commonly used mode. It sounds major to our trained ears. This is what it sounds like. So, the next mode is the Dorian mode, and it starts on G, and it has the half steps between 2 and 3, as well as 6 and 7. You will hear what that sounds like right now. So, next we have the Phrygian mode. It starts on an E and has half steps between 1 and 2, as well as 5 and 6. It sounds like this. Normal, please! Anyway, the next mode is the Lydian mode. We have half steps between scale degrees 4 and 5, as well as 7 and 8. It sounds like this. I'm sorry, I can't do this anymore. Stop filming! Stop filming!
Sorry about that, folks. It seems that our host has left due to unknown reasons. I'll be your new host, Cassidy. Alexis left off on Mixolydian, so I guess I'll start there. Mixolydian is the 5th mode. It starts on G and has half steps between 3 and 4 and 6 and 7. This is what it sounds like. Okay. The next mode is Aeolian. It starts on A, has half steps between 2 and 3, and 5 and 6. It is also commonly known as natural minor. This is what it sounds like. The next and final mode is Locrian. It starts on B and has half steps between 1 and 2 and 4 and 5. How could I forget? Sicko mode, newly introduced to us by Sheck West.
What's wrong, Natalie?
I just don't particularly like Mr. A's looks. So this is a mnemonic device for this, is to help you remember. So if you're in the key of C, your Ionian mode would be the C major scale. And to get to Dorian, you would go to the next scale degree, which is D. So because of the key signature, no sharps or flats, your half steps would be in the right spaces.
So when you're identifying different types of modes, what you want to do is you want to look at the first note in the scale. And then you want to identify wherever the half steps are. So, in this case, the half steps are between 2 and 3, as well as 6 and 7. This would make it the D Dorian. In the next scale, this starts at an F, and you can tell the half steps are between 3 and 4, as well as 6 and 7 also. This makes it the F sharp Mixolydian. Okay, so, since you have your D scale, you know that half steps will be between 2 and 3, and 6 and 7. You know that this is in accordance with the C major scale, so you don't need anything in the key signature. Going with the F sharp Mixolydian, you also want to start in an F sharp, then go up. F, G, A, B, C, D, E, F. You know that this, since it starts in an F, it needs the half steps between 3 and 4, and 6 and 7. This is in accordance with the B sharp key signature. So you want to add an F sharp, a C sharp, a G sharp, a D sharp, and an A sharp. And now you have your F sharp Mixolydian scale.